making bands. Y'all niggas watching me stay in the stands. I love all of my fans, but he leave you 10. Better take on the game, got the fake, know my name, and it came with a plan. She on her knees, begging me, why she be asking me, please? Not one to deceive, if you wasting my time, you get split 7 seasons. I'll do it with ease, with some flow up. Better blow up. I'm a dark skinned nigga, still glowed up. Had to double my hoes like Noah. On the ground while y'all on the sofa. I done killed this beat.
Perfect.
Acapella that shit cause it's nothing. Back to life like it's Jesus' resurrection. Most of y'all niggas soft like muffins. To the stars when no force gonna touch me. Means first law, y'all will never stop me. Niggas copy, mock me, stacking up numbers, rapping down the street, calling it block heat. Y'all got your flow before you hit a beat. I need a beat to come up with my flows. Triple lip flow, that's how most of y'all go. Never changing it up, you already the same boat. I'm a smart nigga, but I let dumb niggas say my worth. I'm coming up now, working real hard straight from the dirt. Yeah, I know I'm a smart nigga, but I let dumb niggas say my word. I'm coming up now, working real hard straight from the dirt. Just like Optimus Prime, I've been rolling it out. Done made a few songs that's yet to come out. Ain't tryna get COVID, always take out. Getting real big, I've been working it out. Yeah, we pay. Getting that money, we working all day. Yeah, we pay. Getting that money. Leave your ass at blast songs on YouTube. Who you, nigga? You a smurf with a Bluetooth. Shoot too. I don't miss shots like F2T. Food, pussy, smell like fish for the niggas. She seafood. Rather eat sushi if you wanna go to Mizu. Then if you hungry for the beef, do the drive-through. Got a Big Mac in the back, let it feed you. I can read you like a book, I can see through. Whoa, nah. I got bitches getting riches. Whoa, nah. If we want it, me and my niggas gon' get it. Whoa, nah. Don't talk to me if you pessimistic. Whoa, nah. It's on replay, like your ass was fucking glitch. I'm a smart nigga, but I let dumb niggas say my worth. I'm coming up now, working real hard straight from the dirt. Yeah, I know I'm a smart nigga, but I let dumb niggas say my worth. I'm coming up now, working real hard straight from the dirt. This goes out to all y'all niggas that call me stupid and shit back in school. Like, fuck out of here, I was way too humble for y'all. Just don't come running to me when you see me up there, nigga. You know who you are. Miss me with that face shit, nigga.